Hey guys, It's Good here and welcome to part 9 of this tutorial series, building our own game with Playmaker in Unity. In this one, it's going to be very quick. We're going to make a difficulty system. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials from me. And let's make our difficulty. So we're going to add a new object here called difficulty control. Okay, and all we need to do is add two states. Okay, and we'll call it set difficulty. Okay, here we're going to do this as a countdown, and then we'll say reduce time. With a finish transition on both of them. Okay, here we're going to wait, and then here float subtract. And that is basically all we need to really do. So here we're going to wait, not wait any key, wait. Okay, and let's say every 5 seconds, finish, and we're going to subtract spawn timer by 0.1, like that, and then a next frame event. Okay, and then we'll put finished. Now let's have a double check what our spawn timer is. So we'll go to our variables here, global variables, and choose spawn timer. So at the moment it's 4 seconds. So on here we just need to add set float value, not bool value, set float value. And we're going to choose our spawn timer and set it to 4. So you set it to whatever your default value is, and then you'll find that after 5 seconds, if you actually look in here, we'll watch it here. Let me just get ready to disable the player. And we'll turn off the music, turn off SFX, player is on, turn him off, and if you watch now, 3.9, 3.8, so that means over time it's going to get faster in reducing the spawn. So you see now they're appearing on screen faster with each other. But what could be better, instead of using just a wait, we can use a random wait. Okay, and we can say every 5 to 10 seconds finished, and then let's say we subtract 0.05. Then it's gonna be longer till it gets really hard, so players should get enough time there. So I put that 5 to 8 seconds. It's going to reduce time by 0.05 seconds, and then that is it. That's a difficulty set in the game. Obviously, just mess around with it, see how you like it. But yeah, that is it for this video. If you liked it, please hit like and consider subscribing. Any questions or requests for tutorials, Discord link is in the description, or leave a comment. And the Discord link will also be in the top pinned comment. And until next time, 8-Bit Squid out.